This tutorial will go over how to download and install the XPOSE software program. If you've ever downloaded a version of the XPOSE trial on the machine before, you may want to clear your internet browser's history and cache so you don't receive an outdated version of the trial. The first thing we'll do is either click on the link through our website or email and paste that into our browser. Once you select the link or paste it into your browser, you may be prompted to run or save. We'll go ahead and run the program. While XPOSE finishes downloading, we'll go ahead and download the K-Lite codec pack that'll help us download even more formats and codecs for videos and images. And we'll run that program as well. Depending on your security software or firewall, you may be prompted to run the program or look for more information and run anyways. This will bring up the prerequisites wizard. This part of the process will search your computer for any necessary third-party software installations. In this case, we'll need to download the VLC media player as it is a third-party piece of freeware used in some of the processing. When the files are downloaded, you will be asked to review the VLC terms and conditions. VLC is a separate piece of software and thus has its own contract. VLC utilizes the general public license, so take a minute to review those terms and agree to those terms and conditions. VLC will install and you'll allow changes to the program. Once VLC is finished with installation, you'll be prompted to follow the XPOSE setup wizard. You'll select Next and review the terms and conditions of our license agreement. This is our own license agreement for our proprietary software, and it is different than the third-party dependencies. You'll accept those terms and install. Click Finish to finish the installation. And before we open the software, we'll go ahead and download the K-Lite codec pack. Again, this is just going to give us a broader range of codecs and formats to bring into the XPOSE program for enhancement. You may want to deselect some of the options. Here I'm going to deselect the Yahoo search default and some of the other defaults that are included with the freeware. You'll accept their license agreement as well and install onto your computer. When all the files have finished downloading, go ahead and open up the XPOSE program. Now you'll see that you'll be able to open up video streams, network streams, or even other capture devices. But before we do that, we'll want to make sure that we have the most updated software before we begin using it. Looks like we're up to date, and that is all. Now you're free to begin using the software. We'll do that by selecting the Media tab, and we'll open up a video file just for demonstration. XPOSE will default to playing the video, and we can turn the correction on and off by selecting the Enable Correction Radio button. That's it for today's tutorial. Be sure to check out our other instructional videos on our YouTube channel.